One of the myths that's out there is that you need a lot of money in order for you to create content.
A lot.
But who said you must pay money? You don't need to pay money. There are really free tools available out there that can help you grow on social media and get to your goals. So today, I want to show you 5 tools. You have to stay until the 5th one because it's a doozy. I love it so much, and I'll show you stats of the one that I used with tool number 5. So let's jump in with our first tool. My number 1 free tool still, even though sometimes it asks you to upgrade, you don't have to upgrade. But the number 1 tool that a lot of people still search for is CapCut. Let's start with CapCut. It trends every week because it is still one of the best tools that can help you create templates for TikTok, that can help you create shorts for YouTube, and use trends to actually grow your account. So honestly, CapCut is carrying South Africa out there and the other content creators. It does have a lot in it, and it does expect you to upgrade to a lot. You don't need to upgrade to use that lot. Start with the free version of it and the free tools. The one that has a purple on there, that's the one that's upgrade. Ignore that. Use the free ones and then grow from there. I used it for years before I upgraded, and I recently upgraded. I used it for like 3 years before I upgraded. So you can honestly use it and grow your account. Now let's look at number 2. Number 2 seems like it should have been my number 1 because I love this tool. Number 2 is your Canva. Oh my word, Canva has a lot of free functionalities that are available to free users. We tend to want to go to the pro version, but there's no need. While you're starting out, you need to brace yourself and understand that you're going to be using a lot of tools that are out there to input to Canva in order for you to create beautiful design, especially for videos, because the videos that are inside Canva are paid, but there are websites like Pixabay and Unsplash.com. I used them for a very long time before I upgraded to the paid version of Canva. What I mean is I would go find a video, externally import it to Canva, create my ad, create my video, create my little movie, and then export it and then load it on social media. So there are a lot of tools that are still available on your Canva free version that you could use. There are apps now within Canva that can help you remove the background of images. There's a paid version of the remove background on Canva. You don't need to use that particular one. Inside your Canva, there are apps that have a remove background, which are free apps that you can use. You don't even need to leave Canva. Canva Magic Media is awesome. It creates very short clip AI videos that you can use for your social media, and Canva AI with the coding is also available for free. So there's a lot that's available on Canva for free that you could be using and growing. Tools! Tool number 3 is an LLM, a large language model, which is a chatbot. My favorite is ChatGPT. It's still my favorite, and I'm still using it as a free version, and it still gives a way lot than the other apps. When you are using your Claude and you're coding, you code 1, 2, and then it's like, upgrade! ChatGPT still gives a lot of value before it asks you to upgrade. So try using the free mode of ChatGPT. Of course, they would like to make money and they would ask you to upgrade, but use it. ChatGPT is not something to be scared of. It is just an AI or artificial intelligence. It takes tasks that human beings do and makes it better for them. So it writes better for you. It creates images better for you. It does a lot of function. It codes for you. A lot of functionality that a human being does, it makes and streamlines it and make it better for you. The biggest thing that you need to learn and do is to give a lot of context when you're asking the tool to help you. So do not just write one-liners and expect to get better results. Garbage in, garbage out. So you need to give, what is that one line that they usually say, that the quality of your answers relies on the quality of the question. I cannot stress that enough when you're using your chatbot. So you need to give a lot of context in order for you to get better quality results. Prompt engineering is a job, so you need to learn to prompt properly and give as much context to the tool as possible. Then you will get output that you can actually work with. I've been using them a lot. Some of the videos that really shot up on my channel as well as on my TikTok account, they were really instrumental. ChatGPT was instrumental in helping me get to the point of the video being that good, because it helped me with scripting, but it can help me being me because I'm still me, and it can help you being you. Let's look at number 4. Number 4 is Meta AI, which is your quiet beast behind your WhatsApp and your Facebook. So people search for free AI image generator, free AI video generator, and how to make AI thumbnails. Meta AI does all 3. You want an image, type it in. You want a video concept, type it in. You want a thumbnail that is nganga, you need to go in and type it in on your Meta AI. If you know how to gossip, you know how to prompt. Same skills, same energy. You just love this one. I love this one. So head over to your Meta AI. I've done a lot of videos using my Meta AI. I love their extender as well. So yeah, it is still free. I don't know when is Mark Zuckerberg gonna charge us for this one, but let's use it while we can. Let's look at number 5. I promised you that this is a doozy. It definitely is a doozy. And I first want to start off that when I create my videos, I search for what people are searching for and I answer a specific question. This is why this tool is the best tool ever. And I can show you the stats, which is what I said to you earlier on. I was looking for a way or looking for a video to be created that's going to get me nice views, and I stumbled upon Sasa, and I created a video of Sasa, edited on TikTok, and 2, 3, 4, 5 days down the line, it's sitting on 50,000 views. I don't usually get your viral for me videos, and when you use search functionality to create videos that people are searching for, then you get really good results. And my favorite tool is Google Trends. Google Trends is still free. It does have videos that teaches you how to use Google Trends. We cover Google Trends on our course material as well, because I strongly believe that this is the one reason I'm sitting at 40,000 subscribers, because I learned the skill of how to search for what people are searching for and then create videos like that. When I don't do this, I get very bad views and it's my fault. It's really my fault. So if you use your Google search, you're going to be on top and you're going to be creating videos that people are looking for. So videos like how to make money online, how to grow on TikTok, best free editing apps, how to start a small business at home, side hustle ideas in South Africa. Those are the kind of searches that people are searching for on Google, and it pops out and you find it and you create a video and then you get views and you find your tribe. There are various ways and steps to use your Google search, of course, and I'm showing you right now that they do have videos on YouTube, so they teach you how to use the tool itself. If your content connects to what people are already searching for, I promise you, you're going to explode. It's as simple as that. Explode! Hold on. So in conclusion, my babies, before you spend any money on any tool, just check if there's a free version of that tool. Most likely there is a free version or a freemium something that's going to teach you the tool while you're getting used to the tool. So before you just go ahead and spend money on willy-nilly, try free version of the tools. You can even get ChatGPT to find you a better option of that tool, or you Google it and you find a better option of that tool. So search. If you want me to create a video that's breaking down how to find searchable topics in your niche, search in the comment section and I'll make it happen for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to as many content creators as possible. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I will see you with our next video.